Welcome back to Foodimoto. In this episode, I'll share with you my Ammo Can Saddlebag build. Technically, these are panniers, but I've got a bit of cowboy in me and I prefer calling them saddlebags. I've always thought that the look of ammo cans on motorcycles were very cool. And since I built out my Ammo Can camp kitchen, it was time to figure out a way to mount it on my motorcycle. The biggest challenge was figuring out a way to make the ammo cans and the rack itself easily removable. Let's break it down. Each ammo can sits inside of a tray on either side of the rack. There are two mounting points, one on front and one on the rear. I installed rib nuts on the cans and secured them into the tray using anodized thumb screws. For the top of the rack, I used acacia board, secured at each corner with carriage bolts for a smooth surface. There are two robust handles, one on the front and one on the rear. They make great tie-down points to strap additional luggage. The frame itself is angle iron, welded together. I'm not gonna lie, I upcycled old bed frames I had lying around. The rack is secured with thumb screws. These thumb screws make for a quick mount and release. It is a snug fit and I'm okay with that because it makes it seem more secure. If you like this design and video, then hit that like and subscribe. And comment below on how I can make this better. I mounted rubber stoppers and rubber tape along the underside of the rack because the unit also rests on top of my seat and grab bar, and I do not want to scratch the wood or chrome. More rubber tape was applied to help with vibration and also provide some protection against metal can on metal rack. It lies perfectly flat and works as a standalone unit. Let's mount it back on. finally have Ammo Can Saddlebags for my Café racer, and I love it. Thanks for watching.